Hey guys, I'm Warren Nash back with another barbecue recipe. Here's how to make curried barbecue skewers simply using king prawns, diced chicken, a jar of curry sauce and your favourite vegetables. Now firstly take a bowl, then add 200 grams of uncooked king prawns and 200 grams of mini chicken fillets. Next, take a jar of your favourite ready-made curry sauce, then pour half the jar into the bowl with the chicken and prawns. Simply mix everything together until the chicken and prawns are coated all over in the curry sauce. Then cover the bowl with some cling film and place in the fridge and leave to marinate in the sauce for at least 2 hours. And then when you're ready to prepare your skewers, take the chicken and prawns from the fridge. Also take 2 washed peppers, slice the ends off and remove the seeds and core. Then chop the peppers into chunks. And now we're ready to assemble the skewers. So take the cling film off the bowl, then using either metal skewers or wooden kebab sticks, load them up with the vegetables, chicken and prawns. And remember, you can add even more vegetables of your choice to the skewers to make them even better. So when you've made between 4 and 6 skewers, they're then ready to cook. And on a grill that's piping hot, place the skewers on, making sure you rotate them regularly. Once the chicken and prawns are cooked through thoroughly, they're then ready to eat. Garnish with some freshly chopped coriander, and there you have it. That's how to make these delicious curried chicken and prawn skewers served up with your favourite vegetables.